Creating a manual order in Shopify lets you add orders on behalf of customers quickly and easily. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Orders. Click Create Order to start a new manual order. Add the products the customer wants by searching your store catalog and selecting the items. Choose an existing customer from your list or create a new customer profile with their details. You can optionally add discounts, notes, or special instructions for the order. Select a payment method and mark the order as paid, pending, or partially paid, depending on how the customer will pay. Once everything is set, click Save. You can also send an invoice to the customer via email. Preview the order to ensure all details are correct. After saving, your manual order is created and ready for processing in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.